How to install Steam on M1 Mac. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna go to Steam website. The easiest way to do it is by going to Google and search for Steam, and then either go to Welcome to Steam and press on the install button on the upper right, or click on Install Steam directly. Let's click here on Welcome to Steam and then click on Install Steam. Now when you click Install Steam, as you can see, the installation package is being downloaded. It's now downloaded. Let's open it and let's drag Steam to Applications. As you can see, I already have Steam installed, so I'm gonna stop this. But when you drag it, Steam is gonna be installed, and you're gonna find it in the apps here, as you can see, inside the games. Let's open it and check if it's correctly installed. It's now connecting and opening, and as you can see, Steam is successfully installed, and we can open whatever we want from it. Here's the library, and here is the store where I can buy or install games that I want. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.